Ever pondered over how professional videos are shot? How the magic happens behind the scenes? Well, prepare to have that curtain lifted as we delve into the fascinating process of shooting a professional video. First and foremost, it all begins with planning. This is the phase where you define your goals and identify your target audience. Knowing what you want to achieve and who you want to reach aids in crafting a compelling narrative. This step is followed by creating a script or shot list, outlining the scenes and shots you need. It's like drawing a map for a journey, marking out the stops and landmarks along the way. But remember, every good story needs a setting. Therefore, planning the location, props, and talent required is an essential part of this stage. Now, on to the next step, equipment. The importance of quality equipment can't be overstated. A good camera with manual settings allows you to control the depth of field, focus, and exposure, giving you the freedom to capture your vision accurately. However, a camera alone won't cut it. A tripod is a must-have for keeping your shots stable and professional. And let's not forget about sound. Consider investing in external microphones for crisp, clear audio. Lighting, the unsung hero of videography, is a game changer. It sets the mood, adds depth, and brings out the best in your subjects. Whenever possible, harness the power of natural light. It's a free resource that, when used correctly, can yield beautiful results. But if you're shooting indoors, don't despair. Use soft, diffused lighting to avoid harsh shadows. Be mindful of the direction and intensity of the light source, as it can dramatically affect the look and feel of your video. In summary, shooting a professional video involves a blend of careful planning, quality equipment, and thoughtful lighting. Define your goals and target audience. Create a script or shot list, and plan your location, props, and talent. Invest in a good camera, a sturdy tripod, and external microphones. And finally, use natural light whenever possible. And if shooting indoors, opt for soft, diffused lighting. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to shooting videos that not only look professional but also captivate and engage your audience. So go forth and let the world see your story through your lens.